That I'm going to read now is entitled The Destructive War. I'm so happy that I could read this poem in commemoration of the 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi that relates to his philosophy of non-violence. The Destructive War. How terrifying for the world to live amidst gun and bomb sound. With so much destructions of world peace and harmony all around. Aggressive people forcibly eliminate the spirit of love and brotherhood. Their ethics often fail to ignore the wounded souls in the puddle of blood. Innocent life crushes into a rampant kill and the rubbles of war. Millions of people were displaced in taking refuge from the fear of death. Warfares and massacres trampled humans to live in peace, exposing to direct disposition that part life to live at peace. The bleeding blood and the hurtful tears that shedding in pain profoundly. Many scenes that traumatize one's feeling in modern humanity. When humans lost their concern over world peace and tranquility, the whole harmonious world replaced with bloodshed and disunity. It's time to stop dismantling world peace with guns and bombs, to pave way for a marvelous world, to embrace love all around. Offer every safest way for one to work life with a head held high in this very God's own peaceful world that most acceptable to all. We all dream for a harmonious world where peace reigns supreme, to bury all sorts of barriers, violence and genocides on the ground. Let's all stand up unitedly for a cause to eradicate war complexities and to deliberately turn this world to a paradise of peace and harmony. Thank you so much.